Hidden deep in the valley of the River Clyde is one of Scotland's best preserved industrial sites. It was a place where new ideas were born. Ideas that transformed the lives of the workers who lived here. Its importance has been internationally recognized, and it has been awarded World Heritage status. It is the pioneering mill village of New Lanark. New Lanark was not only a revolutionary industrial site, but it has now become the first site to be digitally documented as part of an international project called the Scottish 10. The Scottish 10 is an ambitious 5-year project using cutting-edge technology to create exceptionally accurate digital models of Scotland's 5 World Heritage sites and 5 international heritage sites.
New Lanark was founded by David Dale, who was an entrepreneur and philanthropist. He founded the village in 1785. Well, Dale sold the village to his son-in-law, Robert Owen, who took over managing the village. Owen built on David Dale's ideas and the ideas of early reformers and took the process a stage further with the addition of his School for Children and Institute for the Formation of Character.
The Scottish 10 team used the latest laser scanners to digitally document the buildings at New Lanark. The objective was to record the sites in 3 dimensions and use this information to help conserve, manage and interpret the site.
Laser scanning is a very accurate and objective method of digitally documenting a heritage site in 3D. It works particularly well for places like New Lanark, where we are today. It records a point in 3-dimensional space, and very quickly it records up to 50,000 points every second. The laser scanner generates what is known as a cloud of points, or a point cloud, which really defines the surface geometry of the object of interest.
By combining hundreds of point clouds from all around New Lanark, a digital block model was slowly built up. Once the digital model was completed, it could be animated and brought to life. The final stage is to add photographic texture to the surface of the model and make a photoreal animation.
We're currently at the Digital Design Studio, part of the Glasgow School of Art. The area that we're in is the visualisation area, where we deal a lot with the processing and registration of the point cloud data that we capture in the field. This is also the area where we undertake the photorealistic modelling. In the field, we will take a variety of photos of every building and every facade. We tend to try and photograph buildings when it's overcast. We try to minimise the amount of shadow. This all helps to create the impression of a photoreal model. Some of the more fun aspects of the projects are when we actually get to the stage where we've got a photorealistic model, and then we can be creative with animations and images, and really then you get to see the end results as they come up, and that's the rewarding part of it as well.
Owen believed that all children had a right to education, and he abolished the practice of employing orphans in the mills and believed that all children under 10 should attend school full-time.
As well as documenting the site at New Lanark, the Scottish 10 team organised workshops to explain their work to the local schools and show the uses of digital laser scanning.
We've really been learning about how we can make a 3D model of a building so we can preserve it. So if anything like a brick falls out, we can get how big the brick should be and put it back in.
The ideas expressed by Owen are still very relevant today. That is, that all people have a right to education, to good working conditions and to clean, comfortable housing conditions.
The use of pioneering digital technologies seems appropriate to New Lanark and the idealistic dreams of Robert Owen. The complete digital record of the site will be a useful tool in the future to help in the conservation and interpretation of this unique World Heritage Site for future generations.